Okay, so I guess we get started here in the kitchen. So this is the kitchen inside a shipping container. Okay, everything's a little bit messy, of course, because I live here. Okay, small little tiny living room. In here is basically the bedroom, and then back here is the bathroom. So this house is unfinished at the moment, okay? And that's fine because I'm last on the list of all the projects, okay? So spinning back around, you can see that sort of big giant window. It's got a window shelf in there. And then coming out of the house, okay, it's got this whole separate living room area right here. Now the lighting's not that good. Maybe if I slow it down, there we go. Okay, and the cool thing about that is that's not a container. This is something completely separate. We just built basically a like a porch onto it. And so here's the container door. So these shut. So you can see that's the container door. And then coming out here, what do we have next? This is the outside area for washing. You know, you can see we've got a roof set up out here. That's the hammock, a lot of time spent in that. And then this is just another patio. So this is the porch that we added onto the container. And those are my dirty dogs, always dirty. All right, so coming out here, you can kind of get an idea of the projects. So these are basically the containers that we have. So we bring in a lot of containers. We even have some up over the hill. My neighbor let us borrow their yard to store some containers. This is the house we're working on right now, okay? And then back in here is, this is basically our workshop area. So this is where we get all the work done. There's Delphin, famous Delphin. And then this is the storage area. So we use containers for our purposes as well. Over there in the background you can see the yummy bench. And this is a project that we're working on that is actually going to the beach somewhere in Costa Rica. Living room, cool ceiling fans, kitchen, and then we're working on the floor today, the bathroom floor, so we're going to finish the bathroom floor today. Pretty nice. Steel security bars on all the windows. This container here we're sanding down, and we're actually cutting that container in half and selling it as two separate containers. Coming back here on the property is a pretty big property, it's about an acre. Back there we've got containers that we store for our clients. Some clients bought them a few months ago and wanted to keep them here, wait till after the rainy season to transport them. These are new containers actually, these are gorgeous. These are 20-foot containers, one-way new. Prices are on the website. And then back in here is our prefab area of the property. So you can see there's a prefab house right there. There's the big giant fold-out house. You can see that on the website. And there's another one. And the property goes a little bit back there. You can see we've got some greenage around the whole property. We've got gravel laid down. We'll see how that stands up with the rain. And then that's sort of my house is kind of buried in there somewhere. So that's basically it on the property here.